She is talking on video call.
She is talking on video call.
She is serving fruits with smile.
She is serving fruits with smile.
Farmer is driving tractor and waving.
Farmer is driving tractor and waving.
She is holding stack of books.
She is holding stack of books.
She is clapping with surprise.
She is clapping with surprise.
She is writing homework in notebook.
She is writing homework in notebook.
She is thinking about that.
She is thinking about that.
She is sitting on the ground.
She is sitting on the ground.
She is brushing her teeth with toothbrush.
She is brushing her teeth with toothbrush.
She is going to school with backpack.
She is going to school with backpack.
She is playing basketball happily.
She is playing basketball happily.
She is cooking over campfire.
She is cooking over campfire.
He is running with magnifying glass in hand.
He is running with magnifying glass in hand.
He is holding clipboard and pen.
He is holding clipboard and pen.
He is filming while skateboarding.
He is filming while skateboarding.
He is making his bed.
He is making his bed.
He is showing okay hand gesture.
He is showing okay hand gesture.
He is riding skateboard.
He is riding skateboard.
He is riding skateboard.
He is riding skateboard.
He is wearing hat and waving.
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 He is drawing at school desk.
He is drawing at school desk.
He is worried about that.
He is worried about that.
He comforts his sad friend.
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 He is comforting his sister.
He is comforting his sister.
He is comforting his sister.
He is comforting his sister.